Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I wanted to talk to you about why sandblasting is a great option for industrial applications. Things like using tool and die cleaning and manufacturing, deburring, or rapid surface cleaning. Dry blasting is going to be a quick option. It's going to be very fast. You can use different abrasives such as soda, glass bead. You can also use walnut shells. So using many different abrasives, the dry blast is a great option for industrial applications. It's going to clean the surface. It's going to give you a profile in order to create a prep for coatings. It's going to remove coatings. So whatever your application is, if we can assist you with more information on dry blast, give us a call today, 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.